Across the world, innovation drives growth. And Tamil Nadu is fast emerging as one of its most exciting frontiers. In 2021, the government of Tamil Nadu, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, reimagined Startup TN with a bold vision to make the state a global hub for entrepreneurship, technology and inclusive progress. In just 3 years, the results are remarkable. The number of DPIIT registered startups has grown from just over 2,000 to more than 12,000. Nearly half of them are led by women, a powerful statement of inclusive growth. The ecosystem's value has soared from $3 billion in 2021 to over $27 billion by 2024. This progress has earned Tamil Nadu the title of Best Performer in India's startup rankings, and Chennai now ranks among the top ecosystems in Asia. Driving this transformation are flagship initiatives. Through TANSEED, seed funding has supported over 160 ventures, catalyzing hundreds of crores in follow-on investments. The SCST Startup Fund has empowered dozens of enterprises, and 10 regional hubs now ensure entrepreneurship thrives in every corner of the state. Programs like Thoroughly Boot Camps for women, seed grants for differently abled and transgender founders, and the Periyar Social Justice Venture Lab make Tamil Nadu a model of inclusive innovation, connecting founders to capital, mentorship and markets. Through initiatives like TAN Fund and Mentor TN, nearly 10,000 startups have been linked with investors and mentors. And the Tamil Nadu Startup Tiruvizha has drawn more than 40,000 participants, building a vibrant community. The Tamil Nadu government, through Startup TN, has taken steps to connect local startups with international locations including Dubai, Singapore, the United States and many other countries. And the Startup and Innovation Policy 2023 to 2028 charts the path towards a $1 trillion economy. From the Technology Transfer Center, the Next Leap Accelerator, and village-level entrepreneurship to a space tech fund, new initiatives will power the next phase of growth. Startup TN is not just nurturing entrepreneurs, it is shaping the future of innovation. From Tamil Nadu's villages to the global stage, Startup TN is accelerating ideas that will power the economy of tomorrow.